Hello, we are three hairy men.
Two hairy men.
What?
Too hairy. Should we shave? Huh?
No,
Too
he's got
hairy?
hair.
I got some hair.
He's hairy.
Harry Styles.
Yeah. Actually, I think your name was Harry Pubes. Was that your name? Harry Pubes?
I'm Hattie.
Harry Pubes. What are we looking at today?
Depends on what you pay.
I don't know. I think I got your belt. I got to take your belt off already, so I think I got a down payment.
Yeah. You did my belt off?
Shh. Pedal.
Okay. Yeah. Glad that you asked this question.
Well, I'm so surprised that we are doing this video.
I am here.
Wow. Who is this?
Okay, my mom told me I have to do this.
Christ.
This is the Katastrophe Sludge Dominator.
Ooh.
And it makes a lot of old school death metal sounds if you use the right amp, and you are the right guy to play that shit here.
So, what is the right amp, Adam?
Hey, Adam.
Why is this the right amp?
Adam chooses.
99% of Adam Steele's choose the JCM 800.
Okay. So, actually, I'm assuming the reason why you wanted to work with the JPTR FX might have to do with it's not overly high gainish because you're crushing it basically with the pedal.
Yeah.
Okay. So, could you walk through the settings on the JCM 800 and why you put them like that? Because I can see presence is at 6 there, bass is at 6, mids are cranked. What's the? I can't see treble.
Treble's down at 3.
3
Yes.
and treble.
Because we get a lot of saturation that is harmonics, and harmonics are highs for the ears.
Okay.
So we get that already. So we tame that a bit and open up the amp again with presence.
Okay.
So
Fair
it's
enough.
like clear but like punchy.
Okay. So we can actually play just the amp sound, right? Can we get that? So unmistakably, Marshall JCM 800, no boost or anything into that. That's just me picking almost as hard as I can to get some pick attack and some death out of there. So
Let's change that.
if we were to just, I don't know, engage the Katastrophe, what would happen? So the octaver there on the bottom. Well, I'm looking at the pedal. The bottom left octave up, and then the big dial is the mix-in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's. I mean, really, the video is over because it's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah.
What the damn thing does.
Play me some doomy stuff.
Do me.
Try some high tremolo stuff with the octave.
Okay. It goes weak, weak, weak. When it's almost like it's in time with the sweep a little bit. That's pretty neat.
Yes,
So-
I'm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can know when you get like
I
a
do
new
therapy
toy.
after this.
You get a new toy and you know you like it when the guy's like,
Yeah, but.
that sounds fucking awesome.
Yeah.
So how do
I know.
they? How can people get one?
You can order some Jupiter pedals if you type and you go to Google, and then you
What
type
the
in.
hell is that?
You go on your searching thing on the computer, and then you type in JPTR FX, and then you enter. Then you find multiple ways to buy.
Okay. So are these built per order, or you have them on stock? How does that work?
The Katastrophe we have mostly in stock.
Okay. Okay. Cool. What kind of price range are you looking at?
249.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's pretty sick.
It's also a full preamp pedal. So you get the sound with like any rental amp you have on stage because you forgot your amp or you fly in some
Yeah.
whatever, and then you have in the return and
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then and then of course the other knobs, by the way, just rudimentally treble, bass, treble, presence, volume. What's the one? Gain. Low cut. Does that go from 0 to like 300?
No.
It was a full band.
just like to 40, 50, just to remove.
Oh, just the okay. So on that setting, you were like at like 40 right now. You think?
Yeah, no, this is more like 40, 50.
Okay,
This is
okay.
what when you play only fast,
Oh, okay, I got it.
and this is more like Van Halen.
Okay.
You know,
Get it,
it's
get it.
like more a bit more muddy, and if
Sure.
you go modern, then
Obviously, you need to cut it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then wow, that's
look where the gain is.
yeah, that's
the whole
incredible.
video.
I'm scared to even go higher than that.
Yeah,
Because I'm not trying hard. I mean, like when that's off and I'm trying to play the game, I'm literally like, Jesus Christ,
yeah.
it's a workout.
Yeah.
This one, I'm just pretty normal.
Yeah.
That's-
Again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so this was with a higher low cut
Okay.
for faster.
When I was chugging, yeah.
Also, this is a preamp, so basically in the return, and also there are bass options inside the pedal.
So you take you take off the top there.
Yeah, the backplate. And
Yeah,
then
that's what I meant.
if you play like bass, that I will do with Adam later, you do the low cut thing.
Yeah.
So you have more like mids and highs for the distortion.
Yeah.
Turn the pedal up to the other side. Open the backplate, and then
Right,
you have like
right.
a clean volume and bass boost, and like for a high filter to filter
A
them
bit
down.
more.
Yeah, because that you already using mids and highs from the distortion
Sure,
side.
sure.
So you have can choose if you want just the clean bass or
Okay.
a bit of cluck from
Get
from
it?
the clean.
Okay.
Full thing.
That's a lot of fun to play.
Yes.
That's an awful lot of fun to play. I don't think the video needs to be any longer. It's pretty self-explanatory. You went from no gain to all the gain. And apparently Adam's going to do a bass video with this pedal here. Oh, thank you, Adam. Why's your shirt still on? So thanks. So it's JPT FX, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Can we
we
go on
like-
this camera maybe? Yeah. Yep. .com or whatever. And Google. In the Googles.
Google.
Google.
Okay.
Google.
This
All
could
right.
be an email. You know?
Thank you very much.
Sure.
That's the first time I've ever tried one of your pedals. It's honest to God first time, and it's pretty damn amazing.
Yeah,
That's
thank
really
you.
cool.
Yeah.
So it was a pleasure to do this video with you. So check out the pedals. They're pretty fucking legit, and obviously they're clearly handmade. This is the guy right here, by the way. It's not a spokesman or representative. It's the dude.
Yeah.
He creates and designs them. So have a look. See if you're looking for some ridiculous gain monsterage, and I know you have like 9 or 8 more pedals too in the line. Like
10 and then 250 watt amp.
okay. On that, no, look, that's it. That's the laugh I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool, man. Thank you so much for sitting down with me.
Sure.
We're checking out here from 42 Gears. 42, how many times have I said that already? 42 Gears Street. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Later.